In this video, we will show you how to create an email group on Microsoft Outlook. To create an email group on Microsoft Outlook, it's very easy. First, you need to do is open your Microsoft Outlook here. Okay, for example, I open my Microsoft Outlook. Then in here, you can go to the contact or people here. Just click this menu. Okay, I will show you here. And then you can create new. Okay, in here to create group, you can just select new contact list. Okay, not new contact. Just click new contact list, and this is your group name. Okay, for example, I create marketing. Okay, and this is the description, but it's not mandatory. Then the mandatory one is you need to add the everyone on the marketing. For example, marketing one is just for example at gmail.com, and we can click add. And this is for dummy marketing 2 at outlook.com. This is just for example. Okay, then you can click create. Now the questions how you can send mail using these email groups using Microsoft Outlook. Okay, to send the mail, you can just click this. Okay, click this icon. After you click this icon, it will automatically add all email lists on the marketing. If you click this, you can see. If you click add or plus, you can see there is all email is added. Okay. Once again, I will show you. You can click here and you need to click plus here. Okay. And the all email address register on the marketings will be added. Also, on Microsoft Outlook, we can directly send the marketings or group just clicking this email. And when we creating new email, we can type marketing in here like this. For example, like this. Okay. And we can click plus. But sometimes maybe there is need synchronization to use via this. So the fastest way you can click this and select your contact list and click this button. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to create an email groups on Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.